Hello, this is my second video. Today we are going to build this car. I know it looks a little bit more like the other car, but I did some adjustments. So, shall we start? I will pause the video so I can disassemble this car and unpause it when I've made the 3 piles. Because look, 1, and you have to take off this piece because this connects the back and the front to get together. So the middle, the back, and the front. These are 3 piles. And I've upgraded my base. See? I can push it down so it can go down when I take these off, these white pieces. And if it's like this, it means I want to build something on it. Like I build this. I am going to pause the video right now. 1, 2, 3. So here, I've disassembled it into the front over here, the middle over here, and the back over here. So let's begin. So let's make the middle first. This is the same piece as the last car. So, if you remember these are like those chair pieces. See? Now take 2 of them and put them on the sides, like this. I will turn on the lights. Okay, while I turn on the lights, see which car you like best. This car that I'm going to make, or the last car. Wait, do it at the end. See which one is better at the end. So you can see the full car. And you can see it in action. So take a black 1x4 tile and a 1x1 red clear here. Red clear. And now it's squares. Now a 1x2 red clear, so it's a 1x2, and another 1x1. So the 1x1's on the sides, like this, and then the last 1x2, you put it in the middle. Then put it near the front, whichever you want, like this. And take a 1x4 white and put it on top. And take a windshield. I'm using the same windshield as last time. And put it onto the white or the brick that we just made with the lights on. See? And let's take a roof here. Take a 2x2 flat tile, and this one we'll leave it aside right here. Here. And this one, the middle, we'll put it on here. Now, let's put this away and take this 2x4 Technic plug. And take the same wheels as last video, these wheels, and put the tires. This. Okay, now we have this. It rolls. So with it, let's put a red 2x4 and put it on. And now, let me see. Now take okay, put these aside. Put this aside. And this piece. You need this piece. And one by one to fill these holes right here. These holes, fill them in with black 1x1 or any color 1x1. Oh, that reminds me. You can make this car any color you want. Doesn't all have to be white or black or gray or red. It can be any color. And take these triangle orange piece. These pieces, put them on the sides. And you need 2 of them. Here, they're 1x1. And now let's take a 2x2 and let's take a red flat tile. And let's take these orange clear 1x1s, and they have to be circles. And another orange clear. This orange clear dropped into the back pile for the back. And we have this. And let's resume on this one. Take a 1x4. No, a 2x4, not a 1x4. And stick it on. Now let's take a 2x3 and this piece from earlier, but it's white now. I didn't paint it. This is another piece. Let's put them together like this. And with this, on the first row of, okay, here. Look at the front. This is the front. This is the back. And in the front, there's this line. We want to get to the first row of the black one. Black piece that I just put. And then let's stick this one and these plugs, put them on the one I just told you. And then put this one, the wheels, on the rest. Now we just made the front. And the same grill, and put it over here. Same grill as the last bit. And now let's put it on. Okay. Let's make the back now. The back and then this piece that we made with the middle. Okay. What shall we start with? Okay, let's start with the wheels. Put the wheels together with the tires. Or if they're already connected, just do nothing. And we need these 2x2 connectors or a 2x4 plug, Technic plug. And if you have these and you don't have the other one, just use it. And here's a plug Technic. And and you need double of these. Now let's put them on the tires, on the wheels. And okay, and if you know these pieces, you might have them. These for cars. Take two and put it on both of them. Now let's take a 1x4 and put it over here, right here, and take off the windshield because there's a step we need to do. And the wheels we just made, just put them on. Here's the other wheel. And don't do anything to the white pieces over here. Don't do anything to them. We're gonna do nothing with them. Let's make the back. Here. The same piece as the front. And we take these 1x1 to fill in the holes. And take a 2x4 and put it on. It should look like this. And take a red 1x1 and put it at the top left and top right, like this. And take a 1x2, and take two of these little slopes. And now take these Technic holes, or you could just use the exhaust. You could call them the exhaust. And then, here, we're done with this part. Now let's put it on and take a 1x4 flat tile and put it on here, like this. Put it on over here on the back and here. And please like and subscribe if you like how this car is going. I like this car. I want to hear your comments too. So comment below if you like this car. And take a 1x4 and put it right over here, next to the back. Here's the back where we put the lights. And here is this piece, and we just put it on. Take this curved, take a 1x1, a 1x4, I mean. It's not a 1x1. This is a 1x4. Put it onto the white piece. And then take another slope, but it doesn't, but look at it. Here, it's a 2x4 slope. Put it on. And sorry that this video is 14 minutes. I'm gonna go get some pieces. Here, I got the pieces. Take a 2x4, no, a 1x2. It's a 1x2. I'm confused. A 1x2 flat tile, and a steering wheel, and a chair. the chair, put it on the back. Near the back. Here. But before that, we have to put the 1x2 tile before, right here. Oh, okay, right here. And then let's put the seat, and then the steering wheel. And then let's put the windshield. And the final piece. No, it's not the final piece. Here, this piece, the roof. Let's put it on. And the final piece is a 2x2 flat tile from the middle pile. Here, we're done. Let's give this a ride. Let's take off these pieces, these white pieces, and then let's make it vroom vroom. Now, go! Okay. Here, I have this. And now, okay, here, make something long so you can reach it without even touching it. That's the game. Make a long Lego. But I'm not using super long, because if I wanted to use super long, it would be super long. I made something very long. If you wanna see that video, please comment below, and I'll make a video about it, about a long line. And you can push it. Now it goes toward me. It's going toward me. Okay, 18 minutes. And now we're done with this car. If you want close-ups, here. And this video is done. Bye. It was fun making this car with you.